Dear all, this project is to classify the wines by predicting the wine points. Um, I chose the Kaggle dataset, the wine reviews dataset, which I downloaded from this link shown here. And I wanted to show you guys the data snippet. As you can see here, it has the columns: country, description, designation, points, price, province, region, variety, and winery. I want to predict the wine points and classify the wines based on the wine points. As a first step, I cleaned the dataset to remove the duplicates and the NaNs. And then I explored the data. Over here, as we can see, the target column is the wine points. I chose the feature description. I derived the description length from the description as feature engineering. I counted the number of words in the description, and that was the description length. I wanted to explore the relationship between the description length and the points. So, as we can see here in this chart, as the description length increases, the points are also increasing. Which essentially means that people are tending to give a lengthier description for the wines which they rate heavily of, or which are rated heavily. And what I actually want to do is to classify the wines into average wines, good wines, and excellent wines. So I scaled the points into these three categories, and I wanted to plot that and show the stats to show how it looks. And after I did that, I wanted to plot the description length versus the simplified points, and we can still see that as the description length increases, the wine points are also increasing. Now, as a next step, I wanted to uh, classify the wines, so I chose the random forest classifier because this is a case of multi-class classification which I want to perform. So I split the dataset into test and train dataset and applied the random forest classifier. Random forest classifier I chose because it does multi-class classification and it's an ensemble model, so I expected to give a very good accuracy. And I fitted it on the training dataset and I predicted on the test dataset. So let's see the classification report. I was able to obtain the precision of 74%. I want to improve this. So I wanted to see if I can add additional features to improve the accuracy. So I thought price would be a good feature to break the points. So I wanted to explore the relationship between the price and the points. As we can see here, as the price increased, the points also are increasing. And I wanted to plot price versus the simplified points, and it also shows that. Also adding the additional feature price along with the description length, I was able to achieve an accuracy of 84%, which is a 10% increase. And I also wanted to explore and see if I can apply neural networks to see if I can get a better accuracy and to see how the performance is. So once I applied the sequential neural network on this data set, Considering these two features, description, length, and price, I was able to achieve an accuracy of 70.74%. Um, so which is less than what I achieved using random forest classifier, which gives 84%. Dear all, so in summary, we were able to classify the wines using the random forest classifier with an excellent accuracy of 84% by predicting the wine points using the features, description, length, and price. Thank you all for listening.